Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenious Ideas. In this tutorial, I want to quickly show you 6 platforms where you can host your React app. These platforms have their free tier and they also have the paid versions. So for your hobby project, for your portfolio website, for just basic needs for your React project, you can easily host them on any of these 6 platforms. Now, none of these platforms have reached out to ask for endorsement or all those things. This is just my personal research, and this is what I could came up with for my audience. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the first one. So the first one we are looking at is Vercel. So basically for this one, you have to link up your GitHub repo, then you run your build inside Vercel. It's very straightforward and easy to use. If you scroll down, you see all their provisions and whatever you need. And this is the pricing over here. You can see it has a free tier, a free forever tier, where you can import your repo and deploy in seconds. If you are using any backend stack, particularly Django, I think Django 4.2 and below, you can also host it here. So this is these are the provisions that they are making, and just come check it out, and if this works for you, then you can just go with it. Then the next one we are looking at is my favorite, Netlify. So for Netlify, all you have to do is to generate the build, then you host the build. Netlify does the rest. I love to use Netlify for all my projects, for everything I work on. I love to use Netlify for it. So just come upload your build and you're good to go. You can see everything Netlify provides. Just come go through them, and you should be able to decide if this will work for you. If you go to the pricing tab, you can see the free and starter, a free forever plan where you can have a single member seat, global edge network, 100 gig of bandwidth. Then you have 300 build minutes and pretty much everything you would need for a hobby project or for a basic website to run successfully. So that is what you can do with Netlify. So you can see some other companies that partner with them. Just check it out, and you know if this works for you. The next one is Cloudflare Pages. Cloudflare Pages. So I've never used this before, but according to the research I did, this is very nice. This is very nice, and they have quite a very good free plan. You can just check it out. One build at a time, 500 builds per month, 100 custom domains per project. Then you can have unlimited sites, unlimited static requests, then unlimited bandwidth as well. Particularly unlimited bandwidth. So you can just check them out. Try to host some of your projects on them, do your test and all that. The free plan looks very nice, to be very honest. The free plan looks quite good, so you can just look into it. Then the next one we are looking at is Amazon AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify. You can host your TypeScript front-end projects, your React projects, whatever you want to host. You can have it here on Amplify, and just check it out. I think it has a free plan as well. So okay, it comes with an AWS free tier. You can use it free for 12 months. Then after 12 months, you begin to pay for it. So that is all we Amplify. And AWS itself also has a free tier where you can get servers. I think you should be able to get 12 months free of servers if you open AWS itself, the pricing tab. If you open this the AWS free tier, just check it out, and you see some other goodies that comes with the AWS free tier itself, apart from just the Amplify. So you can see the AWS free tier. You have the always free, you have the 12-month free, then you also have the free trial. So you can see the EC2 instance, 750 hours per month, and it's free only for the first 12 months. So you can just come here and check it. You have this one for the database, Amazon DynamoDB, which is always free. It's a NoSQL DB fully managed database. Just check it out and check if this will work for you. So this is the AWS Amplify price in itself. Okay, so this is the price in itself. Okay, I think I've showed you this one before. Now moving on to one of my favorites as well, Firebase. Okay, I love to use Firebase for my projects, particularly for speed, and for the fact that it offers a generous free plan. Okay, for hobby projects, for startup projects, just something provisional to deploy your app or something you can even continue with. Firebase is a very good option, a very good option. So if you check their pricing over here, you can see the pay as you go. You can start at no cost, then you pay gradually as you go. So you can see the no cost plan, then you see the pay as you go plan, where you can do A/B testing at no cost, analytics at no cost. You can do your app check as well at no cost, but subjected to some quotas and limits. You also have your app distribution at no cost. Then you start to have this bandwidth, storage, and some other things, authentication, Cloudfire store. This is one of my favorite no SQL databases. I love it, particularly when you are deploying applications that has to do with keeping track of location in real time, longitude, latitude, and all those things, and having to notify your React frontend when there is a change in the current location of the user, and you can even update your the location as quick as each every second, every 2 seconds, and this works just fine. I love to use Firebase for such projects. So you can also have these cloud functions, but they are not applicable for free accounts. But Firestore has quite a generous plan for free users. So that is all for Firebase. Now we go to the last, okay, second to the last one, which is Render. So I've used Render to host a project in the past, and it is it's quite nice. It's quite nice. You can just check it out. We have the pricing over here. So you just come here for the hobby project. You are not paying anything. You can just check out what they offer. Full stack application in minutes. You can host your React over here. You have fully managed data stores. You have a custom. You have custom domains that can be managed as well. Just come here, check out everything. Then you also have email support. You have email support, but chat support comes with the professional plans and above. So just check it out. If this works for you, all fine and good. So that is all for Render. I think I've used Render to host a Django or Flask backend before. So apart from just React, you can use it to host so many other things. So that will be all for this tutorial. Personally, my favorite to host React projects will be Netlify, like I said earlier. Netlify, it gives you the ability to just push your build to the cloud. Okay, you can host your project code, the code base on GitHub in a private repository. Then you generate the build and you push it to Netlify. Netlify is my favorite of all this. Like I said, no company paid me to do this video. I'm just out of my personal research trying to get quality stuff for my audience. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any better ideas, better options, or you have any questions at all, please, the comment section is open. Ask your questions and we'll respond in due time. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.